Bold filled shapes can help organize information while making your product stand out instantly. Open Canva and begin a new product poster with your desired dimensions. Choose a background that contrasts well with your product image, then open the Elements library and search for filled shapes. Add solid circles, rectangles, or custom shapes to create clear sections for the product photo, headline, pricing, and promotional details. Upload your product image and position it as the focal point of the composition. Use Canva's position feature to layer everything neatly and maintain a balanced layout. Add your headline in a bold font, followed by supporting text